Hi everyone, in this video I will talk about the working folder structure and the RSWATproject.rds file structure. So now let's create an example RSWAT project. And this is my example RSWAT project. So this is SWAT model and so on. This is my working folder, taking out executable file and parameter. And here I run for 10 iterations and I want to extract two variables, one from this file whatout.dat and the second is from output.rch file. And I run on 3 cores and I load the two observe variables, and then this is my objective function. Optimization uncertainty here. I select behavioral threshold and I see -0.1, just an example. And then I save my SWAT project. It was saved. And now I want to explore my SWAT. I told that run on 3 cores, so it will create is 3 take in our folders. So uh, this is only the last simulation. Yeah. And so in the output folder, you will see this is the in the core 1, you will see 2 output variable, 2 also 2, 3 also 2. So I will explain what does it mean. Uh, so I have 10 iteration and I have 3 cores. So it means that each core I will have the RSWAT will run 3 iteration. So from core 1, it will run 3 iteration from 1 to 3. From core 2, it will run also 3 iteration. Also for 2 to 4 to 6, and in core 3 it will run also it will run the remaining iteration, so 3 plus 1 iterations, so 7 to 10. So here, because 10 divided by 3 is we had 3 plus with 1 remaining. So the remaining iteration will be run on the last core. For example, if you run 11 iteration, let's say, so 11 divided by 3, we have like the integer 3 point something, but round up is 3. So this will, the last core will run 3 plus 2 iteration. So yeah. So if you have 12 iteration, so it is 4. So I only take the integer of so let me explain the structure of the working folder. So in the working folder, you have an output folder and 3 sub folder taken out because we tell the model to run on 3 cores. And here you see the on take in, take out files, and in the output, you will also see the 3 output folders, core 1, 2, 3. And in core 1, you see output variable 1. This is also the same, 1, 2, also the same. So what does it mean here? Let's open text file. So in here I have 12 iteration, 10 iteration and 3 cores. So the integer of 3 divided by 10 divided by 3 is 3. And the remaining one is here. So in core 1 I will run 3 iteration, core 2 3, and then the last core I will run 3 plus the remaining iteration. So 3 plus 4. So for example, if I run for 11 iteration, let's say example, so the integer of 11 divided by 3 also 3. 3. So the remaining of this is 2 iteration. So in this case, I will run like 3 iteration on first core and also on second core, and the last core I run 3 plus the remaining 2 iteration. So if you open the core 1 in here, you will see this is the result of output 1 is the result of in the whatout.dat file for simulation number 1 to 3. Here you see number 1, we can search. Find next 2, 3, no more. Okay. And also output variable 1 is the output from output.rch file from simulation from 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and in the last core, you will see this is from iteration number. In the last core, you will see this is from iteration number 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is the output from whatout.dat file for iteration number 7, 8, number 8, number 9, number 10, and so on for this. Yeah. So if we want to know the simulation from parameter number 4, here if we want to know the simulated result from parameter set number 4, we should search in this. Just wait a second. We should search in number 4. We should search in here. Here is simulation number 4 until here. Yeah, so from this line. Yeah, this is the simulation from parameter set number 4 for variable 1. And we can paste it to somewhere and plot it. And now what is the RSWATproject.rds file? So this is easier. So to explore this file, we need to read this file with R, and then we can extract anything from this. So now let's open R. So here I open R and open an R script file, and then R, this is my like data. Let's say data read RDS. So I should search for that RDS file here, RSWATproject.rds, and I change this / enter, control enter, and here you will see in the RSWAT project. So I have here load project take in RSWAT and managing parameter. For example, I want to exploit here data. So I want to see my parameter selection here. This one you already see in the user interface. Yeah. So this show that the parameter I selected for calibration is router parameter CN and min max string in here. So the $sign, and then you can explore different things. For example, here is I want to know, here you see sensitivity calibration command. So here I run the model with 10 iteration data, and here you see my working folder. Yeah, data, and the simulated result is the for example the parameter value. Here I have 10 iteration. Just again enter. Here the first parameter. So the first one should be data parameter selection. Here the first value is, this is the parameter set number. The first value is router delay. The second, this is CN2, and this is soy K, and the last one is solar. Yeah, and this is the second parameter set, and next, and so on. And now I want to see my simulation result. Let's go down here. Sim data for the first variable. So I have 10 simulated result. For example, 1, yeah, here. You see this is the simulated data for the first variable of the first iteration. If you open the TechInow file in here of the first variable, here 11.4, and the first, let's go here, and for the second variable of the first iteration, second variable here you see 11.3. Yeah. For example, I want to see the, here say command the simulated of variable 1 and iteration number 5, and this is data sim data first variable here, iteration number 5 here, control enter, and you will see. And if you want to say this, you can like write .csv here and find equal with, let's say that the, I just say that variable 1 iter 5.csv, yeah, control enter, and if you go to here, you will see that this is my simulated result. Yeah, and you can explore many things out. For example, data. Yeah, here you just scroll down, you can see. Yeah. Mm. And if you want to see the performance criteria during calibration, yeah. And this is for the first variable, iteration number one, iteration number two, three, four, five, and so on, iteration number 10. And this is the objective function during calibration for variable, second variable, and of the first iteration, second, third, and so on, last iteration. Okay, yeah, I think that's the all. Thanks for watching.